Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we are going to tackle two words that might leave you tongue-tied. First up, we have Catercorner. Catercorner. Now, this word is sometimes spelled catty corner or kitty corner, depending on where you're from. But no matter how you spell it, it means the same thing. This is a word that describes something that is diagonal or not parallel. Here's a playful way to remember it. Imagine you are at a party and someone is carrying a plate of delicious catered food, but they are walking diagonally across the room to get to the other side. You might say, "Hey, that person is going cat-a-corner with the food." Or, if you live in an apartment building and your neighbor's apartment is cat-a-corner from yours, that means it's diagonal from your apartment, not directly across the hall. Here is a sentence example. The coffee shop was cat-a-corner to the bookstore, so I had to walk diagonally across the street. Next, we have jejune. Jejune. This is a word that you might not use in your everyday conversations, but it's still good to know how to pronounce and what it means. Jejune means lacking interest or significance or dull. But don't worry, we are going to make learning how to say it fun. Here's a playful way to remember it. Imagine you are at a restaurant and you order a burger. But when it arrives, it's plain and boring with no toppings or condiments. You might say, "This burger is so jejune." Or, if you're watching a movie that you find boring, you could say that you found it jejune. Here's a sentence example. The presentation was so jejune that half the audience fell asleep. That's it for this video, folks. We hope you have enjoyed learning these two new words. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode of Words Well Read. Thanks for watching.